A piece of cardboard is folded to make 6 strips the same size. The strips are numbered as shown. The cardboard is bent along the folds and joined to make a hexagonal tube. When the tube is made, the side numbered 6 is opposite the side numbered what? This question requires you to visualize the folding of a piece of paper. Or, in this case, it's again a cardboard. So, in either case, the strips are numbered and there are dotted lines to indicate the folds. As it is folded and joined up into a hexagonal tube, the tube has faces that are opposite each other. Drawing a hexagon to remind you, the tube will look something like this in cross section, and the numbered faces will be along as such. There will be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6, all wrapped around with the faces extending inwards to the page. Remember that the shape is 3D, and so it will look something like this. So, we're looking for the tube with the side numbered 6. What is opposite that? Well, the side numbered 3, of course. And you can see that very clearly here, and even so, if you do your very best to visualize. So, our answer here is C, 3.